Hi guys, today we will create this beautiful glass profile card. So let's get started. So we have an index.html and a style.css. In index.html we have this font awesome and font awesome icons and some fonts like quicksand. And in the style we have body, and in body we are setting background image here. Now we will start creating. Okay, so we have this image. Now we will go in style and style. Okay, so far we have this. Now I will go in index.html. And we will have social icons. We will have this item, an Instagram logo, Facebook logo and Twitter logo. That's it. Okay, so now we will again go in style.css and style these things. Okay, so our icon is here. Now we will go and create details section. Inside details we will have items. Okay, this is item 1. I will copy this 2 times. Okay, this is our items. Now we will style our items. Details item. We will go here. Okay, this is looking good. Now we will take details item. Okay, that's all. Our card is created and it's looking really awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will meet you in the next one.